Welcome to Dr. Juliet Photography. I'm sitting by the side of window apartment in New York. I will show you outside from this window. I do a lot of street photography sitting on this window. So this is my favorite place for the time being for doing street photography from the second floor of this apartment. I usually use this Sony RX100 VII for street photography. This is an excellent camera. I'll show you the performance of this camera and the street photography of this tiny little beast. This is the view from my window. It's a sunny day. Very chilly but sunny. And you can see the couple of workers working on this shutter door of a shop, and they're doing some welding and fixing the door. I'll take some pictures of these workers with Sony RX100 VII and I'll show you. And I will also take some other street photography in this sunny day, sitting on this window. As I mentioned just now, I'll take the pictures of two workers working on the door, shutter door, and I'll use this 200mm zoom because this is far away from my window. So for taking close pictures, I need to do a 200mm zoom. I have also taken some other pictures on the road, people walking or riding cycles. This is a nice sunny day, so I'm expecting very good shots with Sony RX100 VII, and I'll show you the pictures right just after this video. There is a man fixing his bike on the walkway. I'll take some picture of this guy while he's fixing his bike. Macro photography is my passion, but I do also street photography, landscape, portraits, etc. as my hobby in photography. If you like my techniques, if you like my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, stay connected. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.